All right, guys, it's time for a haircut today. We're here at the local barber. Gonna get a haircut. It's pretty cool. It's like 60 pesos for a haircut. So it's like a little bit more than $1 for a haircut. So I usually end up spending like a little under $2 for a haircut and a tip. So here we are at the local barber. At the local barber. Time for a haircut. Hello.
Let me do it.
Hello. Time to get fresh. Yes, please. Oh yeah. $1 haircut. Best thing ever.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Ah, I see. Turn around.
The fresh cut.
Turn around.
I know. Before some of you say something, I don't have any hair, but you know, I like it real short, especially after the military. I've always liked my hair really, really short. And when you're in a hot, humid place, like, yeah, the less hair in your neck, and I love it. So, favorite part is when he does the scissors. It's so fun.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Do you have a store name? Is there a name for your barber?
This one.
You got it? Oh, you got it? Oh, cool. Thank you. We'll see you in about a week.
That one.
Ah, okay.
Okay, thank you.
60 pesos, so it's just over $1 for a haircut, and then whatever you decide to tip him. But yeah, just, you know, real close, local, come get a haircut, you know, a couple bucks. It's nothing better. And I love this town too. Like, I just parked my motorcycle, and I totally left I wasn't paying attention and left the keys in the ignition during the whole haircut. And, hey Joe, left my keys in the ignition for like, you know, the 20 minutes I was there getting a haircut, and I'm like, oh no, came back, bike's still there. So yeah, but thanks for watching, guys.